near quadruple double. Jalen Johnson, you an all-star, bro. You gonna be first time all-star. You carrying Atlanta Hawks without Trae Young this season. Trae Young been out a couple of games and you've been carrying them. Atlanta Hawks is in a 4-game win streak because of you. You could also be in MIP talks, bro. 31, 18, 14, and 7. That's a crazy stat line. 3 games today in the NBA, and here are the results of all the games. Raptors beat the Cavs 126-113. Scotty Barnes with 28, 10, and 8, and 5. 5 blocks? That's a career high. Scotty Barnes, you should be an all-star this season. You're carrying Toronto right now. The Cavs didn't have Darius Garland and Lonzo Ball. They all relied on Donovan Mitchell. Jarrett Allen and Evan Mobley paid back. Cavs' best big man in this game was Naquan Tomlin, who is in a 2-way contract. Past 2 games, he has been playing good. Dropped 9 and 6 yesterday and now 18 and 6. Scotty Barnes, the first person to drop those numbers in franchise history. Suns beat the Pacers 133-98. Devin Booker with 33, 5, and 7. Dillon Brooks with 32 points. You also shot like this, which is almost the same as Peter Griffin. So you're good, Dillon Brooks, you're good. Suns are on a 5-game win streak without Jalen Green, and they are number 7 in the West. Hawks defeat the Jazz 132-122. Jalen Johnson with a career-high night with 31, 18, 14, and 7 with 4 3-pointers. That is a crazy stat line. Only NBA player in NBA history to achieve that stat line. Onyeka Okongwu had a career night, 32 and 11 with 8 3-pointers. He joins alongside LeBron and James Harden to score 30 points, have 10 rebounds, 2 steals, 2 blocks, and 8 3-pointers in a game. He also joins Jalen Johnson as the first pair of Hawks teammates to record 30 points and 10 rebounds in the same game since Dominique Wilkins and Kevin Willis in 1993. And also don't forget, Vit Krejci has been so good for them off the bench. He dropped 20 points with 6 3-pointers today. He has been a great shooter for them off the bench. 2 games ago against the Clippers, he dropped 28 off the bench. These two right here alongside Vit Krejci and Zachary Rissache are the future of the Atlanta Hawks. But don't forget, Jalen Johnson, first time All-Star.